Hey everyone. Today we're continuing the trend of opening up OnePlus products with the OnePlus SUPERVOOC 100 watt dual ports power adapter. So this one, I actually bought this one because right now they have a sale going on where their accessories are like 30% off. This is one that I kind of saw on there, and I think it would work really well with the OnePlus Open, the watch, and the buds, so I could easily just kind of plug any one of those in and have them working. Actually, so my watch, I've been using my watch all day, so I think this is a perfect time to kind of use this for that. Where I need this is something I actually do need to charge. And then my phone is actually down to about, I want to say, yeah. So my phone is down to about 15%. So phone's down to 15%. This will be a perfect, you know, perfect item to kind of use to charge both of those devices. So we'll go ahead and start to unbox it and kind of see what's in here. And we will actually just kind of use it for a second. So it'll just be initial first impressions. I don't think it's going to be anything super different outside of just accessibility, right? So it does come with the phone itself comes with an 80 watt, I believe, if I'm not mistaken. Um, I believe this one came with an 80 watt charger. So this one's 100. So I think it's more so the fact that it has both a USB-A and a USB-C port. So I don't have to carry around two chargers. And I believe this will actually charge a laptop as well. Yeah. So one adapter. Any device that supports USB charging can be charged, whether it is a laptop, mobile phone, smartwatch, or power bank. The adapter is also compatible with PD flash charging up to 65 watts. Travel light with one adapter for all your devices. So yeah, so this is really cool. And we'll kind of see how fast it will charge. I'll probably do a test. I won't do it in this video, but I'll do a test where I test out this charger versus the one that came stock with the OnePlus Open, in case anyone is kind of interested in that. But for the most part, this one should be pretty self-explanatory. So what's in the box when you open it? It's a tray that includes the charger itself and a cable. The cable looks pretty nice. It's the OnePlus standard red cable. Looks to be about maybe 4 foot, right? I'd say that's about 4 foot, 3 to 4 feet. So nothing too lengthy. And then your charger with the flip up prongs. So charger itself, let me get a nice zoom in on that. So here's the charger, USB-A port, USB-C port. So nice continuity. I feel like, oh, okay, so there is like a flip up tab, or flip down tab rather. Let me kind of get this cable. All right. So there's a flip down tab underneath, which includes, just to look, it looks like just the instruction manual on it, or I guess some safety and warranty information. Yeah, warranty and safety information, as well as a warranty card should you want to fill it out and provide it to them when it's needed. So that's everything that comes into the box. Let me go ahead and close that. All right. And we're going to go ahead and place this back in the box. That's pretty much it for the box. There's nothing else that's in here. Um, Nothing too exciting, outside of the actual product itself. So I do have an extension cable here. So we'll go ahead and plug in the charger itself. Before we do that, actually, what I want to do is I want to plug in the USB-C to USB-C first. All right. Okay. Now that that's plugged in, let's go ahead and plug it into the extension cable. Whoops. And we're gonna go ahead and plug in my laptop or my phone. Okay, so it does say, so I'm getting 67 watt V. Ooh, wow. Okay, that I like that animation. That is pretty awesome. How do I pull that up again? Maybe I use my fingernail, so well, it's ultra fast charging. Oh, maybe if I re-plug it in. Yep, there it is. So I've never personally seen the animation of the SuperVOC charging, but man, that's charging really quickly. Okay, so we can already see the numbers go up pretty dramatically. I'm going to unplug my phone for now. I want to plug in the I want to plug in my watch real quick. So this is the USB that did come with my watch. And I'm just going to plug that right into the charging base. I wish the cables were braided. That would solve a lot of the coiling that happens just naturally from cables being wounded up like that. So I'm going to go ahead and wipe this down using my microfiber cloth just to kind of get any natural skin oils off of it. Okay, so all right, so and it goes like this. So okay, awesome. So it does say Voke charging, not SuperVOC. I don't know if this one actually uses the SuperVOC. Um, so, but it is charging it. Now the test is I want to see if it will charge both of them simultaneously. So, whoops. So we have this charging. I'll set that there. And now we can uncoil this slightly. We can go ahead and plug in my phone. Okay, so I am still getting SuperVOC charging. It's going really fast. Wow. And I'm getting the charging on my watch. So yeah, this is a perfect plug. Now, I kind of want it. So this is my first phone with OnePlus and my first watch, as well as my first earbuds, to be honest. And so um, I've used the tablet. I have the OnePlus Tab, and I've used it a lot. This one does have super fast charging as well, and it's worked really well. Charging's been really fast. But what's interesting about this tablet, at least, is when I've tried to charge it using some of my other chargers that are 67 watt or claim to be 100 watt, I don't get the full SuperVOC charging that I would with this, the one that came with the tablet. So that's kind of why I liked this charger and why I got it is because of that dual ports. I'm almost guaranteed, right? If not absolute guaranteed that it will charge with that SuperVOC charging. Because again, I have other chargers that claim to be 100 watts or 67 watts, and they're great brands too. They just don't provide my phone with the SuperVOC charging, even though it claims to have that capability of reaching that wattage. And so that's the reason why I got this. But this was my unboxing for the OnePlus SuperVOC 100 watt dual port power adapter. I like the way it looks. It's a bit bigger than some of my other chargers, but just being able to only have to carry around one kind of solves the problem of it being a lot larger than some of those chargers. But I hope you guys enjoyed it, and definitely leave a comment in the comments below if you have any questions or if you want to see something else. And I'll see you guys on the next one.